Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov, and today I will show you how I succeeded to make over 100% of profit for less than 12 hours last night. It was with one of the top gainers that we have at the moment on the crypto market. So at the moment the Bitcoin tries to break the $16,000, and today is actually the 6th of November 2020. We'll see how far the Bitcoin goes, but as you know, if you have watched some of my courses and especially the cryptocurrency investment trading course, you will know that what I've been trading is smaller cryptocurrencies and not the Bitcoin. This is because they just move faster, and especially I will show you what I did with the DNT last night. I have bought a piece of 600 euro DNT. The price was below 2 cents. You can see it right over here. And then what happened early this morning when I woke up, the price was 100% higher, and I can just go to the top gainers, and it is still a top gainer today with above 341%, and you can see where the price is. It is above the 4 cents, okay? And if I click on it, you will see how aggressively it goes higher. And if I go to all, where I will see all the prices, you can see that the DNT back in January 2018, it reached nearly 50 cents. Now that's kind of impossible target for now, but I would be happy to hold it until the 10 cents, okay? Having in mind it's at 0.04 right now. All of these levels here at about the 10 cents would be a great target for me. So we'll see how it's going. And actually Coinbase has this great option if you click on prices, and then on the right side where you see tradable assets, you have the option to select the top gainers. Here you can follow which are the cryptocurrencies that gain the most at the moment, and it's super cool because obviously there are hundreds of assets. It's hard to follow all of them, but at any moment you can look and see which is the one that currently profits the most. And usually these are the very small cryptocurrencies, just like the DNT, but sometimes they might bring you great profits. Of course, maybe a little bit of luck is involved to know if it will continue higher, because not a lot of fundamental data about some of the small cryptocurrencies. The next one is the Civic, which did as well a great profit, and I'm considering to take some more of it on the next pullback, probably if it drops down to 5 cents. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is how I have gained 100% with one of the small cryptocurrencies last night, but as I said, I will be a little bit greedy and hold it for a longer time to see how it will go. I'm not in a rush to sell anything, so I will keep you updated with my investments on the crypto market. And if you have enjoyed that video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. Cheers!